Ever wondered if a perfect credit score can change your life? Let's find out. I'm on a mission to reach an 850 credit score. Will it unlock new doors? Stay tuned to see how you can change your life with an 850 credit score. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. The pinnacle of creditworthiness. Understanding an 850 credit score. An 850 credit score represents the highest level of creditworthiness. It's a numerical representation of your financial responsibility. Lenders use this score to assess your likelihood of repaying borrowed money. A score of 850 signifies to lenders that you are an exceptionally low-risk borrower. This opens doors to the most favorable loan terms and financial products. Achieving an 850 credit score requires a consistent history of responsible credit management. This includes paying bills on time, maintaining low credit card balances, and having a diverse mix of credit accounts. It's a testament to your financial discipline and commitment to honoring financial obligations. But what does it really take to achieve this perfect score? First and foremost, it requires a meticulous approach to managing your finances. Regularly reviewing your credit report for errors and disputing any inaccuracies is crucial. Budgeting effectively to ensure you can meet all your financial obligations on time is another key factor. Additionally, making strategic use of credit, such as not maxing out your credit cards and keeping your credit utilization low, plays a significant role. Sometimes, requesting a credit limit increase can help improve your credit utilization ratio, provided you don't increase your spending. Having a long credit history with a mix of different types of credit accounts such as credit cards, mortgages, and auto loans also contributes positively. Consistency is key. Making payments on time every time over a long period builds a strong credit history. Remember, an 850 credit score isn't achieved overnight. It takes years of diligent financial behavior. But the rewards are worth it. With an 850 credit score, you can enjoy the best interest rates, higher credit limits, and more financial opportunities. It's not just about the score, it's about the financial freedom and security that come with it. So aim high, stay disciplined, and enjoy the benefits of exceptional creditworthiness. The perks of perfection. Benefits of an 850 credit score. An 850 credit score unlocks a world of financial advantages. Imagine having the financial freedom to make significant life decisions without the stress of high interest rates or loan rejections. Lenders offer their most competitive interest rates and loan terms to individuals with exceptional credit. This means you can secure a mortgage with a lower interest rate, saving you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. This translates to significant savings on mortgages, auto loans, and credit card interest payments. For instance, a lower interest rate on your mortgage can reduce your monthly payments, freeing up money for other investments or expenses. A high credit score also opens doors to higher credit limits. Higher credit limits mean you have more available credit, which can be particularly useful in emergencies or for large purchases. This increased spending power provides greater financial flexibility. You can make larger purchases without maxing out your credit cards, which can help you manage your finances more effectively. It also contributes to a lower credit utilization ratio, which further strengthens your credit score. A lower credit utilization ratio indicates to lenders that you are a responsible borrower, which can lead to even more favorable credit terms. Negotiating power is another perk. With an 850 credit score, you have the leverage to negotiate better terms on loans and credit cards. Lenders are more likely to waive fees or offer more favorable terms to secure your business when you have stellar credit. This can include lower interest rates, reduced fees, or even special promotions. Additionally, an excellent credit score can enhance your lifestyle. You might find it easier to book luxury vacations, rent high-end apartments, or even get approved for premium credit cards with exclusive rewards and benefits. Believe it or not, a top-tier credit score can also impact your career. Some employers check credit scores as part of their hiring process, especially for positions that require financial responsibility. A high score can give you an edge in landing your dream job. Lastly, an 850 credit score can provide you with more opportunities to invest. With access to better loan terms and higher credit limits, you can invest in stocks, real estate, or other ventures with greater confidence and security. In summary, an 850 credit score is more than just a number. It's a gateway to financial freedom, offering you the best rates, terms, and opportunities. Strive for excellence in your credit score and enjoy the multitude of benefits it brings. 850 or bust? Is achieving a perfect credit score really necessary, or is it just a lofty goal that adds unnecessary stress to our financial lives? The necessity of a perfect credit score is often debated among financial experts and consumers alike. While having a high credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities, the question remains, how high is high enough? While an 850 credit score is undeniably impressive, it's important to understand that it's not always necessary to reach this pinnacle. Many people believe that anything less than perfect is inadequate, but this is far from the truth. Credit scores above 800 are generally considered excellent. This range already places you in a category where you can enjoy most of the benefits that come with having a high credit score. They qualify you for the best rates and offers available, including lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, better insurance premiums, and even more favorable terms on rental agreements. The difference in benefits between an 800 and an 850 is often negligible. In most cases, lenders and financial institutions do not differentiate significantly between these two scores. The incremental benefits of pushing your score from 800 to 850 are minimal, and may not justify the effort and stress involved. The pursuit of a perfect score should not come at the expense of financial well-being. It's crucial to maintain a balanced approach to managing your finances. Overextending yourself to achieve a perfect score can lead to unnecessary stress and potentially harmful financial decisions. It's more important to focus on consistently practicing responsible credit habits than striving for an arbitrary number. Paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary debt are all key practices that will help you maintain a healthy credit score. Remember, a good credit score is a byproduct of good financial habits, not the other way around. So aim for financial stability and let your credit score follow naturally. Maintaining financial excellence. Tips for a top-tier credit score. Maintaining a high credit score requires ongoing effort and attention to detail. Consistently paying bills on time is paramount. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid missed deadlines. Keeping credit card balances low is another crucial factor. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. This means using less than 30% of your available credit limit. Regularly reviewing your credit report is essential to identify and address any errors or discrepancies. Section 5. The power of habit consistency in credit management. Building and maintaining a strong credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistent effort over time. Establishing healthy financial habits is key to long-term success. Automate bill payments, set spending limits, and regularly review your credit report. These small but impactful steps can make a significant difference in your financial well-being. Section 6. Beyond the numbers. Credit score as a reflection of financial health. Your credit score is more than just a number, it's a reflection of your overall financial health. A high credit score indicates financial responsibility and stability. This can impact various aspects of your life, from securing housing to obtaining insurance. By prioritizing your credit score, you're investing in your financial future. It demonstrates to lenders and other financial institutions that you are a trustworthy and reliable borrower. Section 7. Real-life impact. How a high credit score opens doors. A high credit score can make a tangible difference in your life. It can mean the difference between securing your dream home and settling for a less desirable option. It can influence the interest rate on your car loan, potentially saving you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Even in unexpected situations, like needing an emergency loan, a high credit score can provide access to funds quickly and affordably. Section 8. The credit score journey. It's about progress, not perfection. Remember that building and maintaining good credit is a journey. There will be ups and downs along the way. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Instead, focus on making consistent progress over time. Every positive action you take, such as paying a bill on time or reducing your credit card debt, contributes to a stronger financial future. Section 9. Building a secure future, the lasting value of good credit. A good credit score is an invaluable asset. It provides financial security, peace of mind, and access to opportunities. By understanding how credit works and adopting responsible financial habits, you can build a solid foundation for a brighter financial future. Remember that your credit score is a reflection of your financial choices. By making informed decisions and prioritizing your financial well-being, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a prosperous future. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. If you're aiming for a perfect credit score, you need to hear this. Your credit score is like your financial GPA. Aim for 850 by paying bills on time and keeping credit card balances low. Simple, right? Start today for a better tomorrow. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.